Hey vlog adventure friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a volcano. Let's get started. So we have put all the pieces together so we can add the volcano pieces faster. Now I have to make the model and mold the volcano so the plaster and water together.
Alright, so you're going to do 1 cup at a time and then stir it. Pour it into the water.
Looks like a cloud.
Nope, just 1 at a time. Stir it up now. Stir it up a little bit.
It's bubbling.
Yeah.
Now it looks like a volcano.
Alright, so it's still watery, so we got to add some more in there.
Yeah. Some more. The more the merrier. Oh.
Yep, that's okay. Alright, try some more. Stir that up. Remember, you want it to be like a kind of like the thickness of pancake mix.
Yeah.
Just make sure you're stirring it up really good.
Ooh.
Maybe I should have got you a bigger bowl, huh?
Yeah. Guys, I got a bigger bowl because I couldn't stir those very hard because all the water and plaster kept falling out.
Alright, keep stirring. Remember, you want it to be like a pancake mix.
This looks like a cloud that's liquid. Oh, there's chunks.
Starting to. Add some more.
Still a liquid kind of
Yeah.
deal. We might have to use the whole container of plaster. There we go.
Starting to get thicker.
Yep. It's turning into ice cubes, kind of.
Alright, add some more. Keep going.
The more the better,
Yep.
and the bigger the explosion.
No, that's just to make the actual volcano shape.
Oh. Now it's turning into gray liquid. Ooh, that's chunky.
Just keep stirring it.
It looks like steam coming out of the volcano.
Not yet.
Because the powder,
Alright, add some more.
kind of chunky.
Getting there.
See? Stuck.
It's still really liquidy though.
If we run out of plaster, we don't know what to do.
No, I think with the amount of water we had to use, they gave us enough plaster.
There we go.
There you go. Just make sure you stir it all up, get all the powder broken down, because you don't want it to not make the mold right.
It feels like oobleck.
Oobleck?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's stuff we've made before. That's pretty cool. We'll have to do a video doing that.
Still a little liquidy. You want to pour the whole container in?
You know what? Might as well. Go ahead. Do your thing.
There we go. Okay. Ready, set, go.
Alright. Now you just got to stir, stir, stir.
Okay.
Alright, so we've used all of the stuff to make the mold.
Yeah.
Now we're just stirring it up so we can add it to the actual mold.
Oh, there we go. Now it feels like oobleck.
Is that getting better?
Yeah.
Alright.
It feels like pancake mixed with bananas, but it's not. You can't eat this.
Yeah.
Don't try that at home.
Yeah, don't eat that.
This is very, very strong.
You want to show us?
It's
There
very.
we go. Stir it up a little bit more. Make sure you scrape the sides and get all the little pieces.
Am I making cookies?
And I don't think you can eat this stuff.
Mm.
It does say danger on the box.
Yep. Ooh, that's actually. It looks like cookie dough. Look.
Yeah, nice. Alright, so now I think it's time for us to carefully pour the plaster into the mold so we can make our volcano.
Yeah.
So put that volcano mold in front of you so everybody could see. Yep, put it in front. And then go ahead and slowly pour it.
Pew pew.
And don't fill it over the top, just fill it to the top.
Ew. Go, go.
Keep going.
Keep going. Yeah.
Wonder if we put a little bit too much plaster in there.
We might need a little more water.
Nah, I think we'll be alright. Looks like he's getting more of it on the table than he is in the actual mold, huh?
Yeah. There, I think that should be good.
Alright, now we have to let this sit for 30 minutes and harden so
And then
we can actually take the mold off of the plaster.
Yep, and then we have to put it in the oven and then paint it.
Alright guys, we'll see you in a bit.
Alright guys, we're back. We have taken the mold off the plaster to give us our volcano shape. Now we have to put it in the oven for an hour so it can dry completely and we can paint it. Let's get this in the oven.
Alright, come on, let's go take it over to the oven now. Alright, be careful, that oven is a little warm.
Hot.
Alright, so pull it down. And then you want to make sure that you turn the pan sideways.
Like this?
Yep, grab it sideways, yep. Watch your other hand that doesn't have the mitt. Alright, gonna let this thing cook for an hour.
Yep.
Alright. Make sure you set your timer. Nope, you gotta hit that timer button up there. Then hold the plus sign until it says 1 hour. Now you're gonna hit start. Alright.
Once this dries, we can move on to painting it. We just got the volcano out of the oven, it's hardened, and I have yellow, gray, orange, and red coloring so I can paint it. So first I'm going to use red to paint the inside of the volcano. Because normally insides are red because the lava is red and hot. When the paint dries, at the end, when the paint dries, then we're going to actually do the lava experiment.
This is just all the steps to get it ready.
Yeah, just all the steps to make it colored up. Till it looks like a real volcano. Now we're going to use orange to make it so it looks like the lava is flowing down out of the tracks.
Maybe you should show us whenever you're done with that one so we can kind of see what it's looking like.
Yeah. There's going to be a lava trail.
Okay, going down the side of the volcano?
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
You know how the lava goes into the grass and destroys stuff?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, look, oh, that's pretty cool. The lava's going down the side of it.
And there's going to be like 4 of them.
That's pretty neat.
4 of lava trails. We should call it the Death Valley. It's going to be hot.
So we'll call it Death Valley Volcano.
Yeah.
Science experiment.
Yep.
Okay.
The Death Valley
I like that.
experiment. That's done.
So you got the second one done? Okay, nice.
Now the third.
Looks good.
Make sure I don't get a lot of paint on me.
Well, I don't think it could be any worse than all the slime you got on yourself the other night.
I know. There's slime all in my hair when I got a shower. Slime everywhere. There's even slime on my arm. Now the lava trails are done. Now we're going to do yellow for whatever reason. I don't know what yellow's for, so I'll just use
Hey, Jaden.
gray.
Why couldn't the leopard play hide and seek?
Because it was spotted.
Oh, that was a good one. Okay. Okay.
Because I told my friends at school.
Oh, you already used that one, huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
This brush is very
Okay, I got one. What's as big as a fire-breathing dragon but weighs nothing?
A fire-breathing dragon?
Nope, a fire-breathing dragon's shadow.
I heard that one before, I just forgot it.
That's why I said it again. What color are you using now?
Gray.
Gray? What's that for? Let me see.
For obsidian.
Oh, the obsidian, okay. And isn't that like the dried molten rock?
Yeah, that's the dried.
Is that what it forms when it gets dried?
Yep. So that's why you find like graphic rocks from volcanoes like geode and pumice.
Okay, okay. And I actually think our experiment comes with some of that stuff.
Yeah.
Sorry about the picture quality.
Mm.
Let's put this there so everybody can see your experiment.
Oh, yesterday my friend Alana from school, she's watched my video.
Oh, did she subscribe to your channel?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
A bunch of my friends at school did. Like 6.
Everybody watching this, make sure you like and subscribe to Jaden's Vlog Adventures.
Yep.
We're trying to upload 3, 4, 5 videos a week after schoolwork, of course.
You're gonna help me grow strong.
Yes, we are. Let me see.
Look at that side.
It looks pretty good. Now you don't want to do it too dark because then it'll be kind of hard to see it all.
It kind of looks like you know the zebras.
Yeah. Maybe do some yellow in there somewhere.
I
You don't want to do all those sides black because then it's going to be kind of hard and dark to see.
Wait, I got an idea.
What's your idea?
I can't tell you. It's a secret.
Oh, so now I gotta wait till you're done with it, huh?
Mhm.
Okay.
It's actually cool. So that side, now I'm gonna use yellow, like you said, to make a cool photograph.
Okay. A photograph?
Yeah.
A picture on a volcano?
Yeah.
I have never seen that before.
You better not eat the volcano though. There's paint, there's powder, it's gross.
No, it definitely says do not consume on the box, so I don't think we're gonna be doing that.
No. If you did, you'll probably explode.
Yeah, erupt.
Yep. I'll give you a hint. You told me a joke.
Told you lots of jokes.